Где переводчик?
О, Вадим позвонил.
The nail polish, then
Yes.
maybe they are swollen.
Yes.
So now that you stop, let's wait and just watch. Okay?
I make stop that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yeah. It might stop.
but I scared.
Don't be scared. No, it's not dangerous.
Yes, I not.
But we'll take it all off today. And all right. Где переводчик?
О, Вадим позвонил и сказал, что он очень занят.
Okay.
Он придет next time.
Okay. Не нужно.
Да.
Не нужно переводчик.
I try. It is hard to understand, but
Well, if I speak louder, then you understand better. Joke.
Yes.
I'm kidding.
Everybody in your family is healthy.
Yes.
Oh, nice to hear that.
Yes. And yours?
Yes.
Also? Okay, good. You have been in the house for 2 months?
In the house, but sometimes I go walking around the house. Everything is good.
Good.
But only when you look at the TV, so dangerous. What was in Minnesota, I was so nervous to see that.
Was it close? Was it near you?
With the
Protest.
yes, what they do.
Was it close to your house?
No, it is in downtown, I heard.
South Minneapolis.
But I not was dangerous for me, for myself, but from people, what they do.
Very sad.
Yes. And today I know the man who died have a coronavirus. Many people maybe will be sick.
Maybe. Because so many people so close together.
Yes.
I think in 2 weeks we will see a lot of new coronavirus, yes. Болит?
Нет,
Oh, okay.
не болит.
Yeah.
Oh, you make photo and I talk.
It's okay.
Why you not said me stop?
Because I enjoy talking with you.
But maybe I bother.
If Was this the medicine for the gripo?
Yes.
Oh, okay. Okay. So she's been putting a topical antifungal medication on the nails. So stop. If you're allergic to it, stop.
Oh, it was very hard time for me.
Yes, yes. If it makes you cough.
I can't sleep because of cough.
Okay. So yes, we will take it all off and don't use anymore. Okay. Much better. Lucha.
Yes?
Yeah.
Okay. I can use cream, yes?
Mhm. No socks? Есть носочки? Сегодня?
No, I only...
Okay, do you want lotion? Do you want lotion?
I
Yeah.
I make, you can, but I can make, do at home. On summer я могу ходить без носков?
Yep, basical. Yeah, so I always ask, but okay. So everything here looks good.
Yes,
And thank you for letting us video.
Oh, thank you. You did that?
Yeah, we video.
Oh, I don't